Welcome back to Quantreef.com. XRP sitting at 145.56, right in a tight pocket between its session VWAP and a key 1-hour swing low. Interesting spot. Today we'll walk liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely goes over the next several hours. Price is 145.56. Trading below session VWAP at 148.38, which tells you sellers have controlled the recent hours since price can't reclaim the average trade. It's also sitting between the two anchored VWAPs, 152 from the swing high and 135.34 from the swing low, roughly 12% apart, so two distinct references, not one. Structure still reads constructive longer term, but short-term momentum is neutral to soft. I don't have clean liquidation pool data to quote specific size right now, so I'll lean on the structural levels instead. What we do know is stop hunt risk is flagged high here, meaning the market's the type that likes to poke through obvious levels before reversing. That's just how liquidity works. Resting stops above swing highs and below swing lows get swept before the real move shows up. On the panel right now, resistance above sits at target 1, 151.51, then target 2 up at 170, and target 3 at 173.73. Below, support is the 1-hour swing low at 144.60, then the stop-loss level at 143.34.9. Given price already lost session VWAP, I'd lean toward the downside support getting tested first, with the swing low as the line that keeps this constructive. No unfilled gaps sit above price, but below there's a cluster. The nearest bull gap runs 134.41 to 137.80, about 6.5% down, with a high revisit tendency, then a second and third gap further down that are less likely to fill soon. On the fib side, price is inside the retracement, sitting right near the 0.382 level at 142.80, under 2% away. That fib level is the more immediate reaction point, with the nearby gap acting as the deeper magnet if it breaks. The card grades this neutral, N at 86, HTS at 64. Crypto relative strength at 98.7 and volume and liquidity near 87 are carrying the score, trend and structure helping too at 81. Statistical volatility at 31 and macro regime at 50 are the drag. On flow, the 4-hour taker split shows 43.4% long against 56.6% short. Sellers are the more aggressive side right now. With price under session VWAP and takers leaning short, the path of least resistance looks like a probe down toward the 144.60 swing low, and potentially the 0.382 fib near 142.80. If sellers push through there, the deeper bull gap around 134 to 138 becomes the real magnet. If buyers defend the swing low instead, a squeeze back toward 151.51 and the VWAP cluster is the alternative, catching offside shorts. Remember, XRP largely tracks Bitcoin's own liquidity flow, so check Bitcoin's picture before leaning either way here. Bullish case confirms above 151.51, invalidated back under 143.35. Bearish case confirms losing 144.60, invalidated on a reclaim of session VWAP. So we're at a real decision point. Whichever side takes the next liquidity pool likely dictates the next leg. If this kind of structure, probability and liquidity read is useful, drop a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer breakdown across over 100 coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.